This week we're going to highlight corn harvest progress as well as short-term weather trends. Then we're going to turn our attention to South America, looking at planting progress in Brazil. We're going to come back and look at an exceptionally strong export sales pace for U.S. corn and wrap things up with a long-term review of December corn futures. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the corn market. We've moved into the last few days in October here, and this corn harvest continues to be very quick. Let's take a look at the nationwide progress as of Sunday, October 27th. Again, all those states in the green here are above the 5-year average. Only Colorado is slightly below the 5-year average, and looking at Kentucky equal to the 5-year average, but 81% compared to 64% nationwide for corn harvest progress. Let's take a look at the last several years here. Look at that blue line, well above the highs of the last several years for this time of year. Now on average, corn harvested increases approximately 11% between October 27th and November 3rd. So weather permitting, we could be looking at corn harvest progress approaching 90% here as we enter November. Speaking of the weather, let's take a look at the short-term trends. Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-Storm Weather. Now, we've got a pattern change shaping up here, moving into midweek, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We're going to see increased rainfall. Now, over the next 7 days, between those purple lines on this map here, at least 1 inch of rain. Now, between those blue lines, even more rain, maybe up to 2 inches of rain. So really looks like we're going to see some extensive rain short term. Let's quantify that now. Look at the next 7 days. All that heavy blue, purple color is 1 to 2 inches of rain, maybe more in some cases. So it looks like we're going to see a stop of the remaining corn harvest here, at least temporarily here later this week. Let's take a look now at the total rainfall of the next 2 weeks. Now it does look like most of the rain is going to be concentrated, if you will, over this next several days. Look at that dark green area here for the next 14 days. Again, most of that's going to be concentrated for the next several days. Let's shift gears now and focus on South America. Let's look at where that first corn crop is produced in Brazil. Now they are planting corn here in Brazil, again, as we harvest here in the U.S. We're looking here at a number of key states to keep an eye on. The main state in the south is Rio Grande do Sul, and moving further north, Minas Gerais is also a key state, and those 4 states that comprise Mato Piba are also important in the northeast. Let's now take a look at planting progress. As of October 27th, about 37% done. That's right in line with last year. So as of now, there's no real delays as such for the first season corn planting in Brazil. Let's now shift our focus back to the U.S., looking at demand prospects. Let's take a look at unshipped export sales of U.S. corn. Now, U.S. corn export sales have been exceptionally strong recently. We're looking here at a 3-year high, but what we're going to highlight here in a second is when we remove China from the equation, we remove that red bar, we're looking at the highest level of unshipped corn export sales to all other destinations in 17 years. You have to go all the way back to 2007, 2008. Here's the key message as we highlight. Export sales, the last 4-week average is 86 million bushels per week. That's a 30-year high. And again, we're looking at a 17-year high in unshipped sales to destinations other than China. Back in that 2007-8 crop year, we shipped 2.44 billion for the year. USDA is only at 2.325. The question is, will the USDA increase its export forecast in the November 8th supply-demand report? Let's wrap things up this week looking at trends in December corn. December corn as you tape here on Tuesdays, trading near $4.15 a bushel. Here's a very important message. The crop insurance harvest price will be set here on October 31st. It looks like it's going to be around $4.17 a bushel. Very strongly recommend you work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to get your strategies in place to get these bushels protected on the downside and also give yourself upside opportunity, because crop insurance does end here at the end of the month. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with one of our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to never miss an upload. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.